Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Blue Yeti Nano microphone. We're going to be doing an unboxing and first look, and we'll be testing the audio quality between what you're hearing me from now, which is from my Logitech C920 webcam, and we'll plug the mic in and I'll be able to show you guys in real time the audio difference between two mics. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. Get another box. Let's go ahead and open that up. And let's see. Okay, so it looks like you get a card of some sort explaining things about the Sherpa app, which I'm not really sure what it does, but we could take a look at that and perhaps cover it in the video. Some safety guides and the manual. We never take a look at that. And what else? Micro USB cable. We'll put that aside, we'll need that. And here, just some foam. And let's actually take a look at the mic itself. So it looks like the mic comes kind of like folded up inward. So it comes like that. Then I guess we can flip it. So here's the microphone. It's very similar to how it looked like in the pictures. So it's not bigger or smaller than what they described it as. And it looks like here on the front you have your volume control, as well as if you push this in, you can mute the mic instantly. And here on the back you have another button which you can click on to switch between cardioid and omnidirectional for how the audio gets picked up. And then on the sides you have these little control knobs in which you can use to tighten up the microphone and how it's positioned so it doesn't move around too much. And here on the back you see it has the blue logo, and down here the stand actually has some foam pad at the bottom, which is nice for not picking up any sort of like bumps or small movements on the table or surface it's sitting on. So that's pretty cool. And also down here, if you notice, there's a small indent in the frame of the stand, which is very handy for routing the cable through it instead of making a dent or making the mic kind of wobbly. So that's pretty nice, they thought of that. Let's also take a look at the bottom of the mic. So at the bottom of the mic you have a headphone jack in which you can use to monitor the audio in your headphones. Here you have some sort of screw in which I see here in the box it does come with a screw, and I believe you can use this if you want to mount it on a tripod. So I guess you can screw this in like that and mount it to a tripod. And here at the bottom you have your micro USB port, which you can plug in the cable and plug it into your computer, which is what we're about to do right now, and show you guys the sound in real time. So I'm gonna put this stuff aside and I'll go ahead and plug it in and show you the audio and how it sounds. Alright, so I have went ahead and plugged the microphone in. As you can see, as soon as you plug it in, this audio knob at the front lights up, and if you press it down it turns red, which means it's muted, and if you turn it again and it's green, that means it's active. Now right now you guys are hearing me through the webcam microphone. What I'm about to do is I'm about to switch to the Blue Yeti Nano.
Okay, and now you guys are hearing me through the Blue Yeti Nano, and um, I'm pretty sure the you can probably notice right away that there is a difference in the audio quality. So let me know how it sounds there, and I'm also unsure because I'm not hearing my audio right now whether or not there is any background audio that's being picked up or not. And let me actually test some of the different options that we have at the back here. So here we have the omnidirectional, which I believe it picks audio from only the front of the mic. And then the other option here, which I forget the name of it, maybe it's unidirectional or something, is it picks up audio from both sides and also a little bit of the surroundings. So right now you are hearing me through the singular sort of omnidirectional, I believe it's called. But if I press the button, it's gonna switch to the other mode, which is probably gonna capture audio not just from the front of it, but also if I talk from the back, it will capture it from both sides. So let me switch it back, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for the review. I just wanted to give you a quick video to show you guys the microphone, and here it is sitting on my desk. As you can see, it's pretty small and it looks pretty nice. And like I said, the nice thing with the cable that's tucked in is that it's actually pretty solid, so you know, it's not easy to be moved around. And with these knobs on the side, you can kind of position the mic and have it so that it's stuck and not move too much. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and let me know if you bought the Blue Yeti or if you plan to buy the Blue Yeti Nano. And yeah, if you have any other ideas for different videos you'd like me to make, just feel free to drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.